guys, yeah, so today, this girl, which I used to know, Georgia, yeah, so literally, she's exposing me for something I didn't do. Yeah, so, let me just do this first, because, you know, so, she actually accepted my friend request. Okay, that's random. What about, never mind. So, yeah, literally, I'll tell you the story after this, but I was just crying a minute ago because how many she was. Wait, let me see. She's probably in front of me. I have no idea what she's talking about actually. Yeah, sorry, it's my sister. Oh my god. So yeah, she's so mean. So yeah, she made me this intro. Yeah, I don't use it anymore because I don't like her. What is it? Hong Kong. Yeah, she thinks she's famous. So, at my video in a movie. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the. So sorry, I'm gone. Sorry. Yeah, she made me this intro. Yeah, and I changed the music, and I got made by just to cream me out because I told her loads. It's so stupid. Oh my god. So I told her loads, she's acting like it's such a big deal, but actually, yeah, I thought that people would think that the video is made by her, and now people are giving me so much hate. Yeah, I did. So rude. I'm not trying to be mean, but seriously. Okay, let me watch that video because I've watched it properly, so yeah. I hardly did anything, just oh my god. So yeah. Wait, let me see. Yeah, so literally. Oh my gosh. Description. Stop taking on me. So yeah, so now I'm hating for that. He's not gonna go say after this. I'm just telling people. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe to her because she's gonna subscribe to me though. She didn't look at the part that I said I made up for Georgia. Yeah, she's only like 9 or something. Just oh my god. Okay. Didn't make it. I seriously did it. Have you read? Okay. Yeah, just stop giving me hate. So, I don't know who she is, but yeah, whatever. Yes. Oh my god, is that Grace's cousin? Never mind. Random, you don't mind. So, literally, everyone's Father said I had 23 hours of yep, you have to have it till August. How much star codes does it give you? Yeah, it's kind of good. So, yeah. So she's literally exposing me for something that I didn't do. Yeah, so she literally just, oh my god, she cut past a bit where I said I'm made up of Georgia. I'm using it as an example. Isn't it? As a example. God, I'm so bad at spelling. There. I said I made so you're like famous and you're like, yes, I'm not famous either. God. Okay. Oh my god. So, feel okay. Credit in the comments. So, and in the I only didn't. I only did it out so people wouldn't think of it as that. It's just oh my god. Literally, yeah, I was quite early. What trick did I do? All these stupid people. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, bye YouTubers. Just please don't give me hate. I didn't do anything wrong. Please stop. So I kept telling her, and this was about 2 months ago when I did, so I don't know why she's exposing me now for something that I didn't do. So, yeah, that idiot. Stop saying you're on her side. Yeah, I don't care if you're on her side, just stop saying it, because I didn't do anything bad. I only cut out that bit, so people would think the videos made by her. I gave credit. Look, if I go to my channel and I go to the video it was uploaded here. Look, oh my god, I even got us some freaking subscribers. So yeah, just please be a nicer girl. Yeah. So just, please don't give hate on any of us. You can actually give hate on her if you want. It's like just don't give hate on any.
My 360-degree reality, sunset beach. I don't need HGTV. I want the real thing, living off a dream. Give me a couple thousands, I'ma jet to Philippines.